Hi, local business owner. Are you running meta ads and you're not getting enough leads and high ticket customer and you are making silent mistake? So here is the solution. Now let me go into type. And now you can see that the buyer persona framework for roofing companies, and it's very important because if you are running your meta ads and you are targeting one creatives, one message angle, and just you are duplicating your creative, so you are making a big mistake. And today you will be able to know that what you need to fix it. Okay, first thing is that you need to identify your persona, and because that your audience are divided into different kind of step like that. The persona, as you can see, this is the first, the emergency reactor, the insurance maximizer, the preventive protector, the property value optimizer, the aesthetic upgrader, the spectacle shopper. So this is the persona, and your message will be the different for every unique person. Now again, now let me go to dive that what their core purchase motivation, fix damage now before it gets worse. This is the first persona. It has motivation to purchase your service like that, fix damage now before it get worse. If you use the different angle message to him, so you will not get make them customer. All right. Insurance, and there's a preventive protector and every future costly repair. All right. And you can see the property value optimizer, and it has the motivation increasing home value and sell faster. And the next one is the aesthetic upgrader, and its core purchase motivation, improve craft, appeal and pride of ownership. All right, this is the what's one of your greatest point turning point, that you will get a high ticket customer. And the spectacle shopper, so avoid scam and make them safest decision. This there is the core motivation. And now their key pain point, what they are facing inside their heart, the actively storm damage. This is the first, what I said, that this is the first emergency reactor, and their core pain point is the active leak, storm damage, insurance stress. And the next one is their pain point, confusion about claims, fear of denial, and paperwork hassle. All right. And the next one is the aging group, small issue, uncertainty about the condition, outdated roof, hunting the resale appeal, and ugly stained outdated roof, and disturbed of the contractors. Fear the persona I what you will use for your every persona for a different kind of angle. Excuse me. Fear, urgency, loss, aversion, anxiety, opportunity, getting something. So this kind of you're the emotion driver. Now let us give buying trigger. So there is the most important that you can use in your creative. The heavy rain, visible leak, selling damage, and the storm event processing. So neighbor issue. So preparing to sell on the refinance, and the exterior upgrade, paint, landscaping, and the SOA pressure. And the messaging angle. So you can't use the one message for everyone. So if you use the one message for everyone, so meta algorithm does not work for you. It will just show your ads the same people again and again. It will not find your new customer. So then stop damage before it spread. And we handle your claim, you pay less, and fix a small issue before they cost thousands. New roof, the highest offer and fastest scale. So this is the personas you have to use. And after that, you can see the creative hooks. Then when you will make your creative, your video creatives or image creatives, UGC style, at the time you have to mention this kind of hook in the first line, so that it can be visible to your customer. After that, the offer adjustment. So before working with any kind of my business owner, so I would talk with the business owner that how we will make the offer adjustment, because offer is not more important. That is some issue that why I'm saying that offer is not main problem. the you can see the 20% off. It's not effective anymore. Why? Because it's attacking the wrong clients. When you are offering 20% off discount limited, so whatever you are using, you are just making mistake here. You are filling your pipeline with the price shopper. All right. So while high value client scroll past. All right. So because the premium client don't buy the discount, they buy solution to identify base the problem. I think you are getting me, because always just focusing your discount, your offer, it's a completely wrong in the modern right now, the post Andromeda and mental psychology. Now this is a very important, the desire table. All right. uh, and you have to, what should I say, you have to combine your persona and the desire table with your creative if you want to get a better result. Just budgeting is not your problem is your strategy. All right. The desire type, you can see the safety, comfort desire, financial desire, status desire, peace of mind, right? And pain to escape, and they do not stay in the same pace. They always your customer always searching the way they what should I say, remove their pain and go to their they are feeling themselves like their dream to reach. This is the more important what they are feeling. They are not feeling that discount, they are not feeling that limited offer, they are not feeling what should I say, that you are always talking in your activities. They are what they are feeling inside. It's feeling safe, everything. It is feeling safe every time it rains, knowing the home and family are protected, and protecting the home before cost spiral and maximize insurance opportunity, making a smart investment. All right. And like you see, this is the strong attractive group that makes them home look care for valuable and acceptable. They are thinking inside those kind of things. They are not care, they are not care about your discount, your offer, right? Total confident that the group is handled correctly and they won't have to keep worrying. All right. So this is all about it, my persona and design table. And if you're running ads and you are not getting your better result from your ads, so your budget is not problem. Problem is your strategy. Focus on your strategy, not blame the algorithm. If you feed better data to your algorithm, so it must work. Thank you. And if you want some what should I say idea, so just comment on my comment section, desire or persona, then I will contact you. Thank you.